Today's exercise is to create a football memento from the given materials. We have silver foil, wire, Play-Doh and other sticking materials. While creating the form, keep in mind that you bend it softly so that it doesn't form corners. The basic structure of memento is like this. To give it more volume, a wire needs to be added. Start weaving to make a upper 3D form. My basic wire skeleton of the trophy is ready, and all I need to do is wrap the silver foil around it to give it a nice form. Here is our football memento. Hope you like it. Thank you.